Let's see what's happening on the Ultratech level as well. Long back when we saw Ultratech, it was roughly around, the support were around these 3,800 to 3,900 odd mark. If we see over here, a complete selling took place. A Moribazu was basically being formed. A complete selling happened, but it never went below the Moribazu level of the low, which is roughly around 3,900 odd mark. And then you can see the reversal happening around those levels. So when you see a reversal happening, the point was confirmation doesn't come over here. It basically, the confirmation was obtained roughly around 4050 level, because this green candle basically gives you the strength of breaking all the congestion which was there between the two lines. Also, if you see, the other next high or the resistance was around 4114. So what happens over there as well, it breaches there, it goes high on the second day, second move as well, and then a continuous selling comes place. Now if you see, a big amount of setup is being formed over here as well. This candle is so crucial, which gives you immense confidence why it will go up. Now if you see this, and you try to concentrate, this candle basically shows, so the close of this red candle was roughly around 41115, 4115. What happens the next day, it opens down, same as Asian Paint, and it becomes bullish. So it opens down and it goes high and closes higher than the previous day's close. So whenever these kind of setup happens, when it opens down and it closes higher than the previous day close, that means immense uptrend is possible, or going forward it is possible in these stocks. Now if you see over here, now it is trying to sustain these higher levels, and it won't be that difficult for him to go and reach 4,400 or 4,350 odd mark. So I would not be, so one setup is your Moribazu, and then you are finding a reversal. Then there is a gap up which has also been obtained over here. The good point was the second bullish candle which comes your way and provides you more confidence. The third and the most crucial reversal is your gap down and complete bull mode. So let's make some of the interesting lines where the bars were very interesting to analyze. This was your Moribazu. So the following candles after Moribazu comes down but does not breach the low of the Moribazu, and a reversal can be seen. The second was a good, again a green body candle which was formed, taking away its previous highs. And the third most important, confidence which was built because of the gap down bullish candle. Now two levels or two candles are very important over here to understand. One is your Moribazu formation, which is in the first vertical line, and in the third one it is gap down and bullish, the way it was for Asian Paint as well. So these kind of setups will always give you good buys. Okay, so we should always look out for these kind of setups, and if we can find some good trades or not. So one is your Moribazu, a complete pullback but not below the Moribazu level, and you can find reversal. Especially a gap up opening also gives you more confirmation. Second, the strength seems to continue, and the third, gap down and bullish. Okay, so it opens gap down, it is bullish, and it closes higher than the previous day's close or previous day's low or previous day's high. Everything turns out to be bullish. Okay, so let's go and see even on the hourly front, can we find something interesting? Basically here it's pretty much clear on the vertical line that we are trying to see. It comes down. What happens over here? It basically opens down that day in the morning. Complete buying takes place, sustains that buying, and then the next day it opens gap up and then further zooms up. Right. So this kind of setup is very crucial. Whenever you find gap down bullish and it closes higher to this previous close, we can find good amount of reversal buying coming in, and we are very clear that this low which was formed can basically become a stop loss. So your 4080 is an amazing stop loss, which you can see over here, and you can be buyer as well. So it depends how you want to trade, but these kind of setups are not that frequent to happen, and they basically give you more confirmation. The reason is when it opens gap up, there are large amount of sellers, and what happens over here, there is a buyer who takes it high. Now all these sellers are caught between this range of 4160 and the low, which is around 4080. So whenever this range, wherever these stocks again retrace, it will find some amount of support, right? So these become very crucial, gap down bullish or gap up bearish, and you can basically watch out for these reversals and whether it works out for you or not, right? So that's Ultratech.